10th class exercise 8.2 question 2 sum number 3. If sine 2a is equal to 2 sine a is true when angle is equal to dash. Sine 2 angle is equal to 2 sine angle in what condition? Both are equal in what condition? It will be true when a is equal to dash, means angle is dash degree. Both sides will be equal when angle is dash degree. Which degree? Downside option given 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree or 60 degree. We have to check that. What angle we should use that both sides should come equal. See here, when 2 is written along with the angle, at that time it means we have to multiply the angle. How much degree angle is given, that we have to multiply it with 2. If 2 is given in the starting, that means we have to use the value of the angle. When we see the table, two things are there now, upside 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, then 90 degree is written, and downside of that those angles values are written. So when 2a written, that means we have to multiply angle with 2. When 2 is written in starting, that means we have to multiply the value of the angle with 2. See, I will explain. Suppose a angle is 0 degree, so sine 2a is equal to 2 sine a. Okay, so now 2a angle, first of all 0 we will choose, so we have to write 2 multi angle how much, 0 degree, is equal to here 2 multiply value of 0 degree. If sine 0 degree is there in the table, the value of sine 0 degree, what is value of sine 0 degree is 0 degree. 0 degree, when table we are checking the angle 0 degree, when we are looking in sine 0 degree, downside what is written, for 0 is written, so we will write here 0. So 2 multi 0 is equal to 0, 2 multi 0 is equal to 0, both sides zeros came. Now we will check with 30 degree. Here we checked with 0 degree, now with 30 degree. If again we will write sine 2a is equal to 2 sine a. Okay, so 2 multiplied angle, what is 30 degree, multi 2 multi value. Now what is the value of under 30, when 30 degree sine 30 degree is there, downside what is the value, 1/2. Sine 30 degree angle in the table, what is the value of 30 degree sine 30 degree, 1/2. So 2 with 2 cut, and here 30 degree multiplied by 2, 60 degree. 60 degree is equal to 1. Okay, so here 60 degree is equal to 1 degree, that came. Now we will use 45 degree. Sine 2a is equal to 2 sine a. Now angle what is, we use 45 degree. 2 multi 45 degree angle is equal to 2 multi value of 45 degree. When we are checking sine 45 degree, what is the value of sine 45 degree, 1/2. 1/2, that is the value of sine 45 degree. So 45 to the 90 degree is equal to here when we will change 2 into under root 2 by a 2. So under root 2 multi under root 2 divided by under root 2. So under root 2 one time cut, what left? 90 degree is equal to under root 2. That is the value. Okay, now with 60 degree, sine 2a is equal to 2 sine a. Now we have to use 60 degree. 2 multi 60 degree is equal to 2 multi value of 60 degree. When sine 60 degree is there, what is the value? Sine 60 degree, the value is under root 3 over 2. Okay, so 2 by 2 cut, 60 degree multiplied by 2, 120 degree is equal to under root 3. So this can, when we filled 0, both sides are equal, 0 0. When we used 30 degree, 60 degree is equal to 1 degree came. When we use 45 degree, 90 degree is equal to under root 2 came. When 60 degree use, 120 degree under root 3 degree 3 came. Okay, so what is the question? Again we see sine 2a is equal to sine a. Both sides should come equal. In all these 4, what value, what angle we used that both sides came equal? That is 0 degree. So first option is correct. When we will using angle 0 degree here, 0 degree when we using, then both sides are equal. So that is the correct answer, 0 degree. When angle 0 degree, here also value of sine a is also 0. So both sides multiplied by the 0, so 0 came. So first option is correct answer.